Hey everyone, recently we have made some changes in the Transact search box and we have enhanced the search option. So let me show you how exactly it works now and how it will be helpful to you. So first of all, let us go to our inventory module. Now here in inventory, suppose if I'm going ahead and simply searching for any item. So earlier what I needed to do, I needed to type the entire word or in a proper sequence in order to get the proper search. But now we have changed it. So let me show you one of the examples. So I simply just mentioned LATSH, just few words. And please check on just few words it provided me latching relay with shield item. Similarly, if suppose if I go ahead and mention it inverted as well. So suppose SHLA simply I just mentioned. And please check again, it provided me latching relay with shield. So it works in the straight form as well, in the inverted form as well. So that just by few of the names, if you remember, you can simply just type it in and then after the item will get searched and you will get a proper result. Similarly, we have made changes while creating the document as well. So there is one of the document which I have already opened for creation. So here, suppose if I am going ahead and just typing this, so VASA, so it provided me butterfly wall polish sand color. Please check, it didn't provided me any random option, but it provided me exact search for the same. Similarly, in the document creation as well, suppose if I go ahead and invert it like CO and BU. So let me show you CO and BU. Again, it will give me that particular result, butterfly wall polished sand color. So I hope this particular functionality will be helpful to you in order to search the item in document and creating document easily. Have a good day ahead.